Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate covered strawberries. First, I have a pack of fresh strawberries. Next, I'm going to transfer all the strawberries into a bowl. Then, I'll wash them nicely. Make sure you wash each one of them really well. I'm also using a strainer to get rid of the excess water. Then I'll put them on a piece of cloth and dry them completely. As you can see, some of them have a weird shape. So I'll cut out the extras to give it a nice strawberry shape. Next, I have some wooden skewers here. I'm going to take each one of them and pierce the skewer through them, like so. I'm going to do this with all the strawberries. Next, I have some white Mordey chocolate, which I'll chop it to fine bits. And then I'll transfer it into a small bowl, as it will be easier to dip the strawberries in. And microwave it for 1 minute. After microwaving it, you can see it's melted. Now to this I'll add in oil candy food color. You can add in whichever color you desire. I'm adding in pink because I want a light pink shade. After mixing it well, I've got a light pink shade. Next, I have a tray lined with parchment paper. Take the strawberries and pull up the leaves as I do, and then dip it into the chocolate. Make sure you do it slowly and carefully. And then tap out the excess chocolate . And place it on the tray. Repeat the same procedure with all of them. Now the reason I'm using parchment paper is because the chocolate won't stick to it. When the first coat is done, pop it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes until the chocolate is completely dried. Repeat the same process again for the second coat. Once the chocolate is completely dried, we can start piping. Put the melted chocolate into the piping bag and make a small cut in it. Then start moving the piping bag back and forth. And you can see I've got lines on the strawberries. This is the first design. For the next design, I'm going to make 8 number pattern over and over to get this design. As you can see, the chocolate covered strawberries are now ready. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.